Hello guys! It's me again! Kita niyo ba yung orchids ko behind me? At yung aking succulents? Ang cute no, nandyan yan sa lanay namin sa labas. Kaya lang, hinahangin, medyo windy ngayon. So, natumba siya. Tapos, 2 beses nang napalitan ni Honey yung pots nung aking mga orchids kasi nabasag. So, pinasok ko na lang. It's really pretty. I'm enjoying them. Isa-isa ko silang binibili until it adds up. And anyways, today, I just want to show you about or share to you about this Crest 3D whitening strips. Uso to dito sa US, yung mga whitening strips. Ako kasi talaga yung ngipin ko is kinda yellowish. Tapos, especially after kung mag-Invisalign or during the Invisalign, nakakadilaw din ang ngipin talaga. Well, tapos na ako sa Invisalign ko, tapos I'm very happy with the result. Pero ngayon, feeling ko medyo lumuluwag uli yung ngipin ko kasi after the Invisalign, you need to have the retainer. And I have my retainers, kaya lang minsan tinatamad ako. After ko mag-toothbrush and mag-floss, I just go to sleep. So, 2 nights ko na siyang hindi ginamit yung retainer ko. So, feeling ko medyo yung aking ngipin is a little bit na lumuluwag uli siya. So, sobrang importante na i-maintain mo. So, anyways, guys, bumili ako nito kasi I just had it and see, ang puti na agad. I mean, I wish I had took a photo of the before. Pero talagang very satisfied ako sa mga, I don't know kung meron kasi sa atin ito eh. Well, I asked my cousin one time, sabi niya parang wala pa. So, ito is very effective talaga kasi one time I even went to like a whitening, it's not really a dentist, but it's just called like an indoor express whitening something na parang mga 1 hour kang nandun. Tapos yung process is parang katulad din naman yung ginagawa sa dentist, pero I'm not going to mention the brand na lang. So anyways, I went there and it cost $150. I thought it's gonna be like, oh wow, a really good deal for me kasi sa mga dentist talaga is it would cost $400 to $800. So, sobrang mahal, di ba? Tapos, yung stepdaughter ko, she works with, as a dental assistant. So, I asked her kung gaano naman katagal yung ganyan. Sabi niya, depende daw, hindi rin daw ganong katagal naglalas. Kasi depende rin sa lifestyle mo, sa mga kinakain mo, how you take care of your teeth. Kami ni Michael, ng husband ko, we always drink wine. I don't drink red wine, I drink white wine. So I think it's still kind of affecting my teeth. Tapos, I love coffee. So, iyon. Well, anyways, so I just started using this. And it's really good. I mean, especially if you're going to have like an event or like a wedding or gathering or whatever, you should try this. Like, maybe 3-4 days prior or even a week prior to that is better kasi talagang effective siya. So I just had the first, kakabili ko lang nito kanina and kakaalis ko lang din ng strips and then I clean my teeth, ganyan. So maputi na agad siya. And it says it removes 15 years of stains in 3 weeks. Tapos tong binili ko, it has 18 treatments. So, 18 each with 1 sa upper and 1 sa lower. So, bali 36 na strips siya. Tapos yan, how to use it, you just need to peel from backing liner, tapos apply. I-apply mo na siya and then reveal. That's it. So, by the way, ganito yung itsura niya. So, sa loob siya is, let's try. I'm not going to show you how. Kasi tapos na ako guys. Tsaka, well, hindi naman kagandahan yung ngipin ko. Medyo nahihiya naman ako. Baka mabash pa ako ng 45 followers ko. Oh, 48 na pala. Thank you sa mga nagpa-follow sa akin. I'm just really enjoying doing a little bit of videos. Kasi palagi lang akong, pag mag-isa ako dito sa bahay, pag si Honey nasa work, or pag wala akong magawa, minsan na homesick ka pa rin dito sa US. So, ganito siya. So, ito yung sa upper. Yan. Tapos, ito yung sa lower. Tapos, kung meron kang meron akong isa dito na crown, buti na lang malayo siya. So, hindi siya advisable na lagyan doon sa part na yun kasi hindi na mababago yung color nun. So, yung natural na teeth mo lang yung magpuputi or yung mag-i-improve yung kulay. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Tapos yung iba, ginagawa nila, hinahati nila kasi okay lang naman. Sorry, sobrang pinapawis yung kamay ko. Sobrang humidity na dito sa Florida. I actually have the AC on right now, pero hindi naman sobrang taas kasi ayoko nang masyadong malamig. So, parang mild lang, pero pinapawis pa rin yung kamay ko. So, anyways, yung iba hinahati nila yan para, kasi pwede daw yung labas lang naman yung lagyan. Pero ako I tried, mas effective sa akin yung isang buo. Tapos, ano mo sa loob, parang i-indent mo na lang yung extra. So, ganun siya. You have to use it like, just follow the instructions. Very easy. Dito sa binili ko is 30 minutes, tapos 18 days mo siyang gagamitin. Kasi meron siyang 18 na gento sa loob. So, bali 36 kung bibilangin niyo yung up and down. So, it's really, really good and it costs $49 sa CVS dito sa US. So, yun, it's really a good deal na for me. And kumpara sa pag nagpunta ako sa dentist, kasi feeling ko, I don't mind if maglalast siya ng matagal. Kaya lang, feeling ko hindi rin. Kasi ito rin kasi I used this like before, like few months ago. Nag-improve talaga yung ngipin ko, pero syempre nagwe-wear off din talaga. So feeling ko sa akin, personally, mas okay na to kasi mas madali kong i-maintain siya. Tapos, ayan, basta nasa sayo rin kung anong trip mo sa ngipin mo yung mas nag-fit dun sa ikagaganda ng smile mo or ng ngipin mo. I mean, so, yun lang guys, just sharing. And it says it can remove up to 15 years of stains in weeks. So, this is really proven sa akin. Itong brand na to lang yung ginamit ko ever since. I wish they could notice me. Hi, Crest.